Hi, this is Cameron and I'm a senior at Penn State interning for Party Host Helpers. We love to show our clients party tips, tricks, recipes, cocktails, and more. So I'm so excited to show you this easy buffalo chicken wing dip. You will need 8 ounces or about 1 package of cream cheese, plain cream cheese, about an 8 by 8 pan, 1 package of shredded mozzarella, about 8 ounces of this, about half a cup of your Frank's Red Hot sauce, depending on your spice level, you can do more or less, about 6 ounces of Rudy's blue cheese or ranch, depending on your preference, and 1 package or 1 pound of chicken tenderloins. Once the chicken is cooked and shredded, you will want to combine your ingredients of the chicken, the hot sauce, and the blue cheese with a dash of salt and pepper in the mixture. Once that is finished, you will want to add this mixture into your pan with the cream cheese. And a pro tip of doing this is heating up the cream cheese for about 30 seconds and spreading it evenly. Your mixture is on top of the cream cheese. You will want to simply just dash a little bit of the mozzarella on top like that and place it in the oven for at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. Now that the buffalo chicken wing dip is fully cooked, you are welcome to enjoy this appetizer with your favorite tortilla chips, baguette, or if you're looking for a healthier version, you can do celery sticks, carrots, and anything else you would prefer. Our favorite party tip is to hire a party host helper so you can relax. We hope you enjoy this recipe.